Hi people, welcome back to another episode of A Day in My Life as a college student at Delhi University. So I was in a hurry today because I had somebody waiting for me in the college. So yes, I had to make it quick. Apart from this, I also have to submit a bunch of assignments today and also a little presentation to give. So yes, that will be about the day. And I won't be taking any classes because probably it will be my last day. I have decided कि आज के बाद I will sit at home and prepare for my exams. So I have a class at 1, actually 12:45, but one of my friend is waiting. I have to give her a book. So उसे लाइब्रेरी से इशू करवानी है बट करेंटली वो बुक मेरे नाम पर है. So I'll have to do that. So she had called me in the morning कि जल्दी आ जाओ because उसकी क्लास कैंसिल हो गई है apparently. But मेरी नहीं है. So yes, I'm here. Let's look for her. Kalpita! Hello. So here she is and you look super cute today. आज कुछ है? Okay, नहीं, you can say. हम खुद को नहीं कर रही मैं.
अच्छे सर, बहुत अच्छे गाइस.
So you are done with everything for this semester?
I'm done with everything.
भाई तो she is the first. इसने ख़त्म कर लिया सब कुछ, पहले निपटा लेती है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है गाइस. हमारे क्लास में बड़े अच्छे अच्छे दिग्गज हैं. उन्होंने सब कुछ खत्म कर लिया और अच्छे से मार्क्स लेके बैठे. तो शकल देख के भी नंबर दिया जाता है कभी कभी. दुख है जिंदगी का.
हमने कर लिए बुक इशू. शो मी बुक, व्हाट इज इट एंड व्हाई डू यू वांट टू रीड दिस? अच्छा, तो ये टॉपर बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ये वाली बुक्स?
नहीं, ये टॉपर बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते.
एंड दिस इज हाउ गोइंग शी इज गोइंग टू टॉप द एग्जाम.
कुछ भी. ये सर ने रिकमेंड किया था.
ये सर ने रिकमेंड करा. आई हैड दिस बुक फॉर अ होल मंथ. मैंने एक पेज भी नहीं खोला है इसका.
वेरी गुड.
So of course I should give it to her.
यही सेम चीज रिपीट करने वाली गाइस.
How innocent she looks and how she lies to my face.
ट्यूशन कहाँ पे है?
Are you? So Kalpita, she went to attend her class. We have a lecture today, but मेरी presentation है, so of course I won't be taking that. मुझे अभी भी लिखना है काफ़ी. Okay, go. Bye bye. I met her again and now she is running for her class. My class was at 1:45 and it was currently 12:30. So मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम था तो मुझे थोड़े 2-3 पेजेस और लिखने थे अपने असाइनमेंट में. And also I had to practice a little for the presentation of course. So I had this class of SEC. SEC में मेरे पास है communication in professional life. So yes, it's not that difficult. Also we don't have a written exam for this particular paper. So it was all about practicals and classes assessment. So yes, I had to take it a little seriously. So today is the last day of our semester, of our 5th semester, and this is how the Jannat looks. So many people still. So I came to sit here in the basketball court where something is happening. We have an event of case hunting or case hunter, whatever. I have no clue what this is, but anyways. Also, it's quite happening here. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा. Okay. Now I'm feeling very overstimulated. None of my friends are here. So I wanted to do my work in the sun. That's why I went to the basketball ground, but it had just too many people. So my library आ गई. Maybe I should sit here and it's a lot quieter. And also I want to issue 1 or 2 books for my exams. So this is my college library. It has 3 floors. And it is one of the biggest libraries of Delhi University. So right here you'll see a small table. This is where I like to sit, but right now I think it's had some books and stuff, so yes, I won't be able to sit here and do my work. तो मैं थोड़ा और देखने लगी. Also I realized I never showed you guys my library, so I'm just giving you a little tour. Also yes, we can go upstairs. Upstairs we have a reading room actually. Here you can come and just read or do your stuff. But I really wanted to record, but I realized okay, I'll be just disturbing them. It also had a lot of people, they were doing their work, so I didn't want to, make them awkward. That's why I came back down. So we also have a little mirror placed here at this corner of the library, which not a lot of people know about, but like I keep coming here because I like to sit. I have some little like spots in the library where I sit and do my work, or just sit and just use my phone or listen to some music and stuff, because yes, I'm not that big of a reader, but yes, I like the vibe here. It's very quiet. So now I was running out of time, so let's go back downstairs and let's do our work. So ground floor pe we also have this one table where people sit and you can do their work. So yes, I decided to go there itself. But before that, let me show you another cool spot where I come and sit. So this is this another corner. So here you can get direct sunlight and you can just sit here. So I come here whenever I'm just running from people and I just want some quiet time. So I came here looking for a book to issue for my course, and what did I find? Like, God, I really got this book. I can issue like 2 or 3 books max. So this is the one. भाई हो गए मेरे सारे असाइनमेंट. नाउ क्लास तो ऐसे स्टार्ट हो गई होगी इफ मॉम इज़ नॉट लेट लाइक ऑलवेज. सो आई एम होपिंग कि आज वो लेट, पूरे सेमेस्टर लेट है, आज भी लेट हो जाओ. बट शी इज़ क्वाइट लीनियंट, तो हाँ ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गेट डन विद इट. मैं दोबारा नहीं आना चाहती. मेकिंग श्योर इट्स माई लास्ट डे. सो आई सबमिटेड माई असाइनमेंट. मैम जस्ट टुक इट. मैम ने आज कोई लेक्चर नहीं लिया. सो वी वाज जस्ट सपोज टू गिव हर असाइनमेंट. गुड फॉर मी. वैसे मेरा काम तो हो गया है नाउ. अब क्या करें? I don't know, I was just expected the college to be a little quiet today, but for some reason it's very much happening. So मेरे सारे internal submit करने के बाद I just really wanted to give you guys a tour of the college, but पता नहीं आज इतनी भीड़ क्यों थी कॉलेज में. honestly इतनी नहीं होती है. So I was also not feeling very well. I was just feeling very anxious सुबह से ही. So yes, I couldn't do that. And that's why I decided to just leave. मैं कभी और आके I'll make a campus tour. भाई मुझे आज इतना काम था वो हो गया. मैं इस कॉलेज में 1 मिनट भी और नहीं रुक सकती भाई. ये हमेशा आखिरी में ही आता है. कहाँ जा रहा है?
मैं वो असाइनमेंट देने जा रहा हूँ.
दिखाई सन भाई. ये है आदमी जो वेरी गुड.
2-3 पेज है बस, और कुछ नहीं है. ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, बस वो भी अभी पीरियड खत्म होने वाला है उनका. 45
किसका असाइनमेंट है ये? Then I sat down at the bus stop waiting for my bus, and these are the 2 books which I have issued for this semester. These are actually the 2 papers which I'll be appearing. After waiting for a while, I don't think the bus will be coming anytime soon, so I'll have to just walk down to the metro. So let's do that. So that was about the day. Today is actually my last working day in the college. मेरे सारे assignments, सारे presentation सब कुछ हो गए, और आज से टेक्निकली मैं घर रह के अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर सकती हूँ for the semesters. I have like 20-25 days left, so yeah, that will be very helpful. और also I couldn't record a lot today because I don't know, I feel very overstimulated today for some reason, a little anxious as well. Also my hair doesn't look that good, so yes, I'm not feeling it today. So let's skip. The good part is I am done with my all the work very early this time. I was very brave enough. इस semester I did not run. सारे presentation सारे time से दे दिए. Okay, so ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि इतनी जल्दी मेरा सारा काम ख़त्म हो गया है, and I'm free now. So yes, that's a good part. और जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, I think I'm just having a bad day, let's say that. So I'll just go home, eat something and watch a movie. I'll binge watch, and then definitely I'll feel better. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.